Viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. This is my 11th video and 7th video for counting number from 61 to 70. As we learned about numbers from 1 to 60 in our previous classes, today we will learn from 61 to 70. So let's begin the lesson. 61 number. For 61 number we use in Arabic Wahidun wa Sittoon. Wahidun wa Sittoon means 61. See the example. 61 shirts. For 61 shirts we can say in Arabic Wahidun wa Sittuna qamisan. Wahidun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 62 numbers. For 62 number we use in Arabic Ithnani wa Sittoon. Ithnani wa Sittoon means 62. See the example. 62 shirts. For 62 shirts we can say in Arabic Ithnani wa Sittuna qamisan. Ithnani wa Sittuna qamisan. Now say 63 numbers. For 63 number we use in Arabic Thalasatun wa Sittoon. Thalasatun wa Sittoon means 63. See the example. 63 shirts. For 63 shirts we can say in Arabic Thalasatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Thalasatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now say 64 number. For 64 number we use in Arabic Arabaatun wa Sittoon. Arabaatun wa Sittoon means 64. So see the example. 64 shirts. For 64 shirts we can say in Arabic Arabaatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Arabaatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 65 number. For 65 number we use in Arabic Khamsatun wa Sittoon. Khamsatun wa Sittoon means 65. Now see the example. 65 shirts. For 65 shirts we can say in Arabic Khamsatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Khamsatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 66 number. For 66 number we use in Arabic Sittoon wa Sittoon. Sittoon wa Sittoon means 66. Now see the example. 66 shirts. For 66 shirts we can say in Arabic Sittoon wa Sittuna qamisan. Sittoon wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 67 number. For 67 number we use in Arabic Sab'atun wa Sittoon. Sab'atun wa Sittoon means 67. See the example. 67 shirts. For 67 shirts we can say in Arabic Sab'atun wa Sittuna qamisan. Sab'atun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 68 number. For 68 number we use in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa Sittoon. Thamaniyatun wa Sittoon means 68. So see the example. 68 shirts. For 68 shirts we can say in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Thamaniyatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now 69 number. For 69 number we use in Arabic Tisatun wa Sittoon. Tisatun wa Sittoon means 69. So see the examples. 69 shirts. For 69 shirts we can say in Arabic Tisatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Tisatun wa Sittuna qamisan. Now see 70 number. For 70 number we use in Arabic Sab'un. Sab'un means 70. See the example. 70 shirts. For 70 shirts we can say in Arabic Sab'una qamisan. Sab'una qamisan. Now revise the lesson. Wahidun wa Sittoon. Wahidun wa Sittoon means 61. Ithnani wa Sittoon. Ithnani wa Sittoon means 62. Thalathatun wa Sittoon. Thalathatun wa Sittoon means 63. Arabaatun wa Sittoon. Arabaatun wa Sittoon means 64. Khamsatun wa Sittoon. Khamsatun wa Sittoon means 65. Sittatun wa Sittoon. Sittatun wa Sittoon means 66. Sab'atun wa Sittoon. Sab'atun wa Sittoon means 67. Thamaniyatun wa Sittoon. Thamaniyatun wa Sittoon means 68. Tisatun wa Sittoon. Tisatun wa Sittoon means 69. Sab'un. Sab'un means 70. Okay, I thought you already gained sufficient knowledge regarding numbers from 61 to 70, and this is time for your quizzes. So be ready and give answer carefully. So the first question is, which one is number 65? Which one is number 65? Options are A. Salasatun wa Sittoon, B. Thamaniyatun wa Sittoon, C. Khamsatun wa Sittoon, D. Tisatun wa Sittoon. Second question is, which one is number 69? Which one is number 69? Options are A. Tisatun wa Sittoon, B. Ithnani wa Sittoon, C. Arabaatun wa Sittoon, D. Khamsatun wa Sittoon. Third question, which one is number 64? Which one is number 64? Options are A. Sittatun wa Sittoon, B. Thalathatun wa Sittoon, C. Khamsatun wa Sittoon, D. Arabaatun wa Sittoon. Fourth question, which one is number 63? Which one is number 63? Options are A. Arabaatun wa Sittoon, B. Thalathatun wa Sittoon, C. Khamsatun wa Sittoon, D. Wahidun wa Sittoon. Fifth question, which one is number 67? Which one is number 67? Options are A. Sab'atun wa Sittoon, B. Wahidun wa Sittoon, C. Thalathatun wa Sittoon, D. Khamsatun wa Sittoon. So this is enough for today. Remaining numbers, inshallah, we will learn in next classes. So please click the like button and subscribe the channel. See you again. Thank you very much.